welcome back to my channel Moon's Vanity. My name is Moon. In today's video I have come up with this makeup look, and this is a Shoshti special makeup look for Durga Puja, and I promise you guys this makeup look will be super duper easy for beginners, and I'm sure a beginner can definitely do this makeup look. So if you're interested and want to know how I achieved this look, then please keep on watching. Let's get started. First, I have already washed my face and applied some moisturizer. For primer, I am going with the Blue Heaven Gel Based Primer. Also, I would like to mention that in this makeup look, I have used all the affordable products. So do check out the description box to know about the products and their links. For foundation, I am going with the Nykaa Skin Genius Foundation, and this is in the shade 02. And this is a dewy kind of foundation, gives you kind of a medium coverage, and I'm applying it with a PAC 265 foundation brush. I'm also applying the foundation on my neck. For concealer, I'm going with the Wet n Wild concealer. This is a highlighting concealer for me. So I'll be applying the concealer to the areas which I want to highlight. Now applying the Maybelline Fit Me Compact Powder to set my concealer with a powder brush. For eyebrow, I am taking L'Oreal Brow Artist Eyebrow Palette, and with that Faces Canada eyebrow brush to fill my eyebrows. All the product names and their links will be in the description box, so do check it out. For eyeshadow, I am going with the Focallure Twilight eyeshadow palette, and from there I am taking a very light orange shade as my transition shade and applying it just above my crease line with a fluffy blending brush. Then taking a flat blending brush and applying a deeper shade from the same palette to the outer corner of my eye, and just to intensify my crease line. Blending two shades with the fluffy blending brush. Now taking a copper shade from the palette and applying it on my entire eyelid area. Again applying a darker shade just to the outer corner of my eye. Next, taking a pen liner and applying very thin line just close to my upper lash line and creating a small wing with it. After that, I am taking Wet n Wild highlighter palette and just applying it on my brow bone area and the inner corner of my eye to highlight. Now curling my eyelashes with the eyelash curler and applying the Maybelline mascara. Applying some falsies with the PAC lash fixer. For face, I am going with the Sugar Face palette, and this is in the shade Subtle Summit. I am just applying the contour shade from there with a PAC 305 contour brush, and now I am applying the blush from the same palette and just applying it on the apple of my cheeks. It's a versatile palette, guys. And now I am applying the same contour shade to contour my nose with a flat contouring brush. Now time for the highlighter. I am applying it with a fan brush. It's a champagne gold highlighter from the Sugar palette, and just applying it on my high points of my face like the cheekbones, the bridge of my nose, the cupid bow, and all the usual areas. For lipstick, I'm going with the Miss Claire lip liner in the shade pink, and along with that Sugar Smudge Me Not liquid lipstick in the shade Plum Yum. It's a beautiful mauvey pink shade which will complement this look. I would suggest you to apply a lip balm before using the lipstick because this can be a little drying. Now spraying some makeup fixer all over my face to set my makeup, and this is from Blue Heaven. That's it for today's video, guys. I hope you like it, and if you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel for more such videos. I'll be coming up with many more videos super soon. Till then, take care of yourselves. Bye bye.